Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am recovering from being sick, so my voice kind of sounds weird right now, but I'm so excited to share this video with you. So I did already film an intro to this video, but the whole time I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the screen, which I tend to do a lot, and I apologize for that. But this video today is about meal prepping, and this was my first time meal prepping ever, and it was honestly awesome. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I got these containers at Walmart, and it comes in 3 sections. So we're going to find things to fill these so we can meal prep for the first time, and let's see how it goes. These are some of the things I got from Walmart today. I will be doing a recipe actually that Kylie Jenner once posted on her story with this and an onion and a pepper. So I'm gonna show you how I make this, and let's get to it. Alrighty, so first we're going to take our chicken apple sausage. We're gonna cut it up into little pieces. We're gonna put it into that frying pan right next to the cutting board, along with everything else that we are going to add to this beautiful mixture. Now once that is done, we are going to go on to the pepper and cut it up really however you want. I kind of do strips, and you can also use whatever color bell pepper you would like or prefer. This time I just use red, sometimes I use green. It all just depends, but it all tastes super great. So we're going to cut it up and then put it in the pan, make that yummy mixture. Alrighty, now we're going to do the same thing with the onion. I'm telling you guys, this is literally like one of the easiest things you can make. You just chop it up, make it into strips, add it to the mixture. I put a candle so my eyes wouldn't hurt as bad, but it didn't really help. But you know what? It's worth it. And as far as measurements go, I kind of just eyeball it and it works out. Now we're going to add some seasoning like garlic powder. Also going to add some pepper and some salt. And again, with all of these too, I just eyeball the measurements, whatever looks good. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, you're going to saute everything together. So just put it on the stove top, kind of mix it around. You don't need any oils or anything, and just let it kind of do its thing for a little bit until it looks like cooked enough the way you want it. So while that's cooking on the stove, I'm going to make some rice. We got some instant brown rice. Gonna just make, how much am I going to make? That's a good question. Let's see, 1 cup, so 1 serving. I think I'd try to make all of the rest that I had left in this little box. Alrighty, so I ended up just putting 2 cups in, following the directions with the water rice ratio. What I love about minute rice is that you can literally put it in the microwave and it's done. As you can see here, I'm checking on the stuff that's frying, making sure, mixing it around, making sure it's okay. And then I'm going to stick my rice in the microwave. Alright guys, while that is cooking, I am going to be prepping another thing to go in one of these containers. Do I think, I don't know how it'll be. So my mom, I was just asking her the other day about like healthy snacks, and then she told me that she likes to put cucumber with balsamic and feta. I love feta cheese so much, so I'm going to be doing that. Do I think it'll taste good with the stuff I'm already making? Alrighty guys, so for this one it's going to be so easy. We're just going to chop up the cucumber, we're going to add balsamic, we're going to add feta, and that is it. That's all we do. So here it is. This is going to be the taste test. I also don't, oh, you can hear my microwave. I don't know if these will like last in the fridge. I don't know. Ooh, I like it. I like it. All right. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm gonna start putting stuff in here. Alright guys, so that is my first time meal prepping. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And I hope you enjoy this. If you do it, message me or comment down below. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day.